Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to disable push notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you're looking for a way to customize your notification settings and reduce interruptions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the X app. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen for your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open up a menu with a few options. Next, scroll down and find the option that says Settings and Support. Give that a tap. Now you'll see some more choices appear. Select Settings and Privacy to move forward. You're almost there. Now find and tap on Notifications. This section will give you control over all things notifications. After that, tap on Preferences to dive deeper into your notification settings. Here, you'll see an option for Push Notifications. Tap on that to access your push notification settings. You'll be greeted with a list of different types of notifications that can pop up on your phone. Finally, to disable push notifications entirely, look to the top of your screen for the toggle switch. Simply turn it off, and voila! You've successfully disabled push notifications on X. Now you can enjoy your time scrolling through your feed without pesky alerts interrupting your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.